Okay guys, so today's video is the second, you're crooked, hang on. There you go, second adventure of the summer holidays. Well, actually it's like the third, but I didn't film any of our shopping adventure in Birmingham the other week. So today, in the next clip, you're gonna see us going to pick my daddy up because we are taking him, Nathan, and my dad's iPad to the Apple store. The charging port won't go into the charging end of his iPad, so we need to get that sorted so that he can do all his stuff on his iPad, but also so he has it for any sort of entertainment he wants before we go to Grandad's, because Grandad's is in the middle of nowhere and that's not always fun in the evenings. That video will be coming in August, end of August, beginning of September, so do go ahead and click that subscribe button as well as the thumbs up and notification bell. Also, don't forget to check out the social medias so you get to see instantly what I am up to. But with that being said, I think we are done for the day and I will see you in the morning. This morning I am dressed, little man is dressed. I have got all my stuff together. I'm going to take that downstairs soon. We are dropping mum off at the bottom of the stairs in a bit. I did change my top already once today. I need to re-tie my bow tie. My hair is a little yucky, but considering I normally wash it today and then on Sunday, not too surprising. And also with my eczema, I'm letting it absorb the natural oils at the very back because the back of my head's flying up. What was I saying? You already know the plan. We're going to Meadowhall. We are going to see if Dad's iPad can be looked at and fixed, preferably in store. If not, it'll have to be sent off, which hopefully shouldn't take too long if it does, and at least will give us another trip for Mr. this summer. I have the big shopping bag in case we buy anything. I doubt we will, but if I have it, we've got it. My Apple Watch is charging, but it didn't charge overnight like I thought it would because the connection was off, and I think it was because the back of it needed a good clean. I didn't realise how yucky it got. So now, as you can see, Mr. in the background is ready to go. We are just waiting for the right time. Mum, we're going to drop Mum off, go get Dad, and we'll be off. I've packed everything, put a light layer of makeup on. I'm just going to double check I have everything, and then we will be going. So, see you for the car montage. Hey guys, so we are on the way to get Dad. It's 9:01. We are a little bit earlier than I said we'd be, but that was because little one here was not willing to wait, and so that's just what happened. Dad's appointment isn't until 11:50. It is under my name just because I have an account, so it was easier to do it that way. So we've stopped at Mcdonald's because he has got slightly hungry and it's making a little bit of a pain in the bum bum, but Dad's okay. These things happen, right, doodles? So instead we've stopped for a special Mcdonald's, which he doesn't often get. I feel like I say that and then he's had one recently, but... McDonald's does tend to be like our road trip. Seriously? Okay. Our road trip. What's the word? Road trip. Breakfast. That's the word I'm looking for. So, I'm going to find the opening to the south. There it is. So yeah, I'm going to jump in the back. Dad's going to drive so I can eat without too much hassle. I just need to find a straw. Well, there's one in the already. I'm in the back. It is 9:48. And I thought we would do how many steps we do around Meadowhall. So remembering I am pushing a little one in his wheelchair. Sometimes he walks a little bit, sometimes he doesn't. Depends on his mood. He does have socks with him if he needs them. He's looking at me like, why are we filming? We're filming all our summer adventures this time. Yeah, careful. Push it back, like that. And then you hold it out like that. Say hello. And now, better? Hello, say hi. High fives. You send them all your tricks. Mwah. Oh, kisses. Mwah. We have many tricks. Mwah. Oh. Yeah. Oh, here he is. Gotta go. Had me going good, but I left a scar. You invite me and then you turn me down. Get my hopes up and then you're gone. There we go. Remember, we use this like a little tray, don't we?
Montage.
Never call me, and then I see you on the street. Said your heart just skipped a beat, and that you miss me. It's always the same story with you, but I just cannot refuse you. I'm sad after this time that I'm
Okay, so you can see my dad has joined us, and little one instantly grabs hold of him and starts to rock in his chair. He finds busy places a little too much sometimes, and so when my dad, Papa, Bubba, we have lots of names for him, is around, he tends to hold on to him for security, as he sees him as a protector for both of us, which obviously my dad does happily. Little man was indicating that he wanted something, so we went into Poundland and we started walking around the shop. You can see from side glances of him that he is very happy. We could tell he wanted something. He was trying to communicate with us, but due to his surroundings and needing to constantly stim, we were struggling to figure it out. So we started walking around, offering him things, from baby toys from the very back of this aisle we're walking down to some sweets, chocolates, none of which he wanted, which was perfectly fine. As you can see, we couldn't figure out what little one wanted at this point, so we started to leave, and we were going past the drinks in the chilled section, which, when we first walked in, was actually really busy, and we couldn't see very well. But as we were getting closer, little man was indicating by grabbing and knocking the camera, which I stopped him from doing, that he wanted something. With his other hand, he kept pointing towards the drinks fridge, so Dad started looking around, asking him if he wanted water or some juice, and then he found the fruit shoots, which this lovely lady who was working in Poundland at the time asked Dad which one he wanted and got for him. Nathan was very happy when we showed it him. As you can see, he did want it, and I had to take it off him to make sure he didn't open it before it was paid for. Dad starts to rush off to pay for it at the till, so we didn't have to go all the way around the shop. And this was when Nathan got a little bit sad and anxious because we were on our own. He doesn't like when Dad wanders off from us during shopping trips because, he feels less protected, which is fine. Helpful as well as being respectful towards Nathan is a great help. You can see someone looking back at him there. Usually everyone is very nice, from staff to public, even if we're filming or little one is stimming a lot. Places like Meadowhall and anywhere else you see us film during the summer holidays are considered safe for Nathan. They are safe places due to security, so he can't run off, or they are good environments for him. Obviously, every autistic person, whether they be an adult or child, can manage differently. So if you are looking after an autistic person, make sure that that person is comfortable in this environment. Obviously, this is a busy mall, shopping center, depending where you come from. Sometimes little one manages really well, like he did in this video, and sometimes he struggles. And on the days that he's struggling, even though he really wants to be there, we try and do what is necessary, such as getting food, the necessary shop, doing a little bit of window shopping just to have a good association, even if he's struggling. And then we get out of there as quickly as we can because we know little one needs that time to decompress. And when we go out to big places like this, the place he decompresses is the car. Obviously, good days and bad days are both perfectly fine. And this day, honestly, I was struggling more than Nathan in this clip, which is partly why you don't see my face unless we're traveling. People were just a lot for me today. Between the looks and just the busyness of it, I was kind of having a hard time with noise. But the little one was very happy, and that was the most important thing at the time. And in this clip, he does still have a very tight hold on my dad with his other hand, so you can't actually see him. But here is the lanes, and we are just heading towards the bathroom, and then we're gonna go get Dad's iPad fixed, which was a very simple and easy fix. We were in and out of the Apple store in under 10 minutes.
A lot of boring math later.
So we're heading home. Nathan has been cheeky but good in general. So hopefully that means he'll be good and happy. Happy the whole time. Dad got his iPad situation sorted. So you will come in, mate. So that's always a good thing because, you know, not being able to charge your iPad is not great. What else? We did a little bit of window shopping and just relaxing on it. Well, when I say relaxing, a little bit of typical. A little bit of window shopping. We had some lunch, which I don't think I filmed at all, which is fine. Okay, not to film everything in a day. I'm trying to figure out. Now we are heading. We had to stop halfway on the way back because Nathan was being a little bit of a monkey. So now we are heading home, and I will see you when I'm back at Dad's.
Many minutes later.
Hey guys, so I didn't see you there. My bad. I am just editing. Nothing of great interest for you guys, I guess, but for me it is. So let me just tighten that up for you guys. Yeah. I'm just getting today's video that I filmed today down to its basic storyline so that when it comes to extra edits, etc., it's easy for me to do tomorrow. It is 10 to 11, so I'm gonna end this vlog here. Let me just get myself situated. Okay, so we're set down, we're situated. We managed to successfully get Dad's iPad fixed. We had a successful trip with a little one. We got some food sorted. We even managed to get all the way home without hitting any traffic. I would say today was a success. The only problem with doing any sort of travel during the summer holidays is that you tend to hit traffic. Everywhere is busy. Sometimes a little one gets overstimulated. Sometimes I get overstimulated. So these places can be difficult. These adventures cannot always be the easiest and are not always successful, but this one has gone a-okay, as did the first one. To round out the end of this video, I'm going to let you know that we are planning a Blackpool trip, as well as an Alton Towers trip and a Twycross Zoo trip. I will be filming my adventure with my dad to my granddad's, as well as a trip to Manchester, Discovery, Lego Discovery, and the sea life there with little one. If you're interested in seeing all those videos, go ahead and click that subscribe button as well as the little notification bell so you get notified every time that I upload. Also, thank you to everyone who has subscribed. It very much means a lot. Your name will appear here, well, somewhere on the screen when you hit that subscribe button, so go ahead and do it. Also, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up so I know you're enjoying this summer content, and go ahead and check out the social medias while you're at it. They will appear on the screen around my face, but also linked down below for you guys. Go ahead and leave a comment down below. Let me know if you're enjoying your summer holidays, how you plan to spend the rest of your 6 weeks with your little one. Are you as planned as us? Are you not? Are we just overly organised? Let me know. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you are enjoying seeing all my content, and wait till just past this little outro scene to check out any of the playlists or videos that might be for you. And also go ahead and check my channel out. There'll be more videos like this one for you guys. Bye.